Today on the table I've got myself a Xiaomi 6X, which I've had one of these phones in the past and I really liked it, apart from the missing headphone jack. I believe this phone's related to the Note 5, or the Xiaomi Note 5. Anyway, 2 pentagram screws in the bottom of it, they come out. I have had it on the heat pad for a little bit now, and after being on that heat pad for a little bit of time, the next course of action is getting a flat blade or pry tool and working yourself around the edges. Do make sure you take out the SIM tray prior to actually attempting this, or else you're probably not really going to separate it. Well, actually no, on that note, the screen comes out but not the body of the phone, so it's very likened to an Apple iPhone in this particular regard, where the screen lifts up, so just be careful of that. Don't pry and rip too hard on the screen, or else you may tear the flex cable which connects from the screen to the mainboard. But then once you're inside of it, it's relatively straightforward to replace the charger port on this one. You've got one antenna cable on the inside and about 5 screws, and with that you should be able to swap it over, reverse the install and go from there. Anyway, I'll let the video play out and I'll catch you later.